Good morning to all. 8th standard biology. Take up in your science book, take a page number 118. Reaching the age of adolescence. Chapter 10, Reaching the age of adolescence. Today we study about the heading, how is the sex of the baby determined? How is the sex of the baby determined? The determining the sex of the baby, we know that there are 23 pairs of chromosome present inside the nucleus of every human cells. Okay, every human cells 23 pairs of chromosomes present inside the nucleus. Okay, these chromosomes have thread-like structure and they always occur in pairs Okay, the chromosomes help in determining the sex of the child, female or male. Out of the 23 pairs of chromosomes, 2 of them are sex chromosomes called X and Y. The sex chromosomes are called 2 sex chromosomes called X and Y. The female have 2 X chromosome and the male have 1 X and 1 Y chromosomes. Okay, the gametes contain only one set of chromosome, that is either an X or a Y. Okay, the egg of the female contains an X chromosome always. Okay, however, the sperm can contain only one of the X and Y chromosome. So, if the sperm that contains a Y chromosome fertilizes with the egg which contains the X chromosome, the zygote develop into a male. Listen, if the sperm that contains a Y chromosome fertilizes with the egg which contains the X chromosome, the zygote develop into a male. On the other hand, if the sperm contains X chromosome and fertilizes with the egg which contains X chromosome, the zygote develop into a female. Okay, hence the sex of the child depend upon the chromosomes of the father and not a mother. Hence, the sex of the child depend upon the chromosomes of the father and not a mother. Okay, you see the picture. Mother double X. Okay, father X plus Y chromosome. The egg or form double X, the egg is divided into single XX. You see the picture. Okay. Next we study about next topic, hormones other than sex hormones. Okay, hormones other than sex hormones. The other endocrine glands that are present in the human body. Okay, the other endocrine glands that are present in the human body. What is endocrine glands? Endocrine glands is such a ductless glands. Okay, that is ductless glands. So, okay. For example, pituitary and also pituitary, thyroid, adrenal, pancreas, etc. Okay, the pituitary is a main. Different hormones, you see the slide, different hormones. Choose sex hormones, other non-sex hormones. Okay, two main hormones, sex hormones and non-sex hormones. The sex hormones divided into two, male and female. Male produce testosterone. Okay, the female ovaries produce estrogen. Okay, next, non-sex hormones, both in males and female. Pituitary gland, growth hormone, thyroid gland, thyroxine, pancreas, insulin, adrenal glands secrete adrenaline. Okay, adrenal glands secrete adrenaline. You see the pictures. You see the slide, next slide. The pituitary in a head place, then thyroid situated a neck side, neck region, then pancreas, stomach, next adrenaline situated upper part of the kidneys and ovaries and also testes. Okay, these are endocrine. This is another one picture. Pituitary gland, thyroid, adrenal gland, pancreas, then ovaries and also testes. Okay. Today we study about sex hormones. First you study about pituitary gland. Okay, first you study about not a pituitary one, pituitary one. Okay, the pituitary glands has a size as small as p and located inside the skull. Located inside the skull. It is also called growth hormones. Okay, it is also called growth hormone as the master gland, as it controls the function of all other glands. It is a master glands. It controls the other glands. Okay. It also secretes prolactin that stimulate the production of milk, growth, milk. Okay. The growth hormone is responsible for the growth of a person. Growth of a persons. Okay. Next we study about thyroid, thyroxine. It secretes a hormone named thyroxine. It is found at the front of the neck between the windpipes. Between the windpipes. It has a brownish red color and secretes a collection of hormones called as thyroid hormones. The thyroid hormone controls the rate of metabolism in body. Lack of thyroxine result in goiter. Okay, it is thyroid. It secretes a thyroxine. Next we study about pancreas. It secretes the hormone insulin and glucagon. It secretes the hormone name insulin and also glucagon. Okay, the pancreas is almost a 6-inch long gland located behind the stomach. You see the picture, behind the stomach. It produces digestive enzyme glucagon and insulin. The insulin maintains glucose level in the blood. The glucagon prevents the insulin level from getting too low in the body. The insulin activates when the blood glucose level are high, while the glucagon activates when the blood sugar level are low. Lack of insulin in body leads to diabetes. Okay, that is pancreas. It secretes insulin and glucagon. Okay, Next, adrenaline. The hormone name is adrenaline. It is adrenal. The part name is adrenal. It is situated the kidney upper part. Okay, the hormone name is adrenaline. Adrenal glands have a size almost of a walnut and are located above the kidney, the upper part. Okay, they secrete more than 150 hormones in the human body for various purposes. Adrenaline helps in managing stress as it increases the blood sugar level, dilate the pupils, and increases the heart rate, enhances the blood supply to the muscles. Okay, it also maintains a balance of salt in the blood. Next, we study about next hormone, parathyroid. Okay, the parathyroid, parathormone. Okay, the hormone name is parathormone. The parathyroid glands are located behind the thyroid glands. Okay, the parathormone maintains the level of calcium in the body. If they produce excess of hormones, it can lead to severe effects such as kidney stones and bones. Okay, next, pineal gland. Melatonin. The hormone name is melatonin. It is also known as the third eye and is located between two halves of the brain. The melatonin is responsible for working of the internal clock of the body. This means it influences the cardiac rhythm or the sleep-wake cycle of the body. So these are the hormones. These are the hormones other than sex hormones also. Okay. So next, you study about role of hormones in completing the life history of insect and frogs. Okay, insect like silk moths and some animals like frogs undergo the process of metamorphosis, many stages. The egg further develop many stages, that is metamorphosis in adult. Okay, which result in drastic changes in their bodies. The insect hormones control the process of metamorphosis in the insect. In frogs, thyroid releases thyroxine, which control the process of metamorphosis in them. Next, the thyroxine only produced with the help of iodine that is present in the water. If there is a lack of iodine in water, the tadpoles would never turn into adult frogs. Okay, that is role of hormones in the completing the life history of the insect and frogs. Okay. So, student, you read the page number 1182 to 11120. Okay. Next class we study about reproductive health. This class you study about only the hormones and also sex determination. Sex determination, female and male, XX and XY chromosomes are you study about. Next, hormones, pituitary, thyroid, adrenal, pancreas, etc. Okay. So you read the pages. Thank you.